Are random channel suggestions and unwanted alerts showing up on your WhatsApp and cluttering your notifications? In this video, I'll show you how to turn off recommended channels on WhatsApp so your app feels cleaner and less distracting. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once you're on WhatsApp, tap the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a small menu with different options. From here, tap on Settings. Now you'll be taken to your WhatsApp settings page. Here, tap on Notifications to manage all message, call, and channel notification settings. Scroll all the way down until you reach the Channels section. Here, you'll find an option called Recommended Channels. By default, this setting is usually turned on, which is why WhatsApp may show random channel suggestions or extra alerts. Simply tap the toggle switch next to it to turn it off. Once disabled, WhatsApp will stop showing recommended channels and unwanted suggestion notifications. This can help keep your chat list cleaner, reduce distractions, and make your notifications feel much more organized. And that's it. That's how you can stop random channel suggestions on WhatsApp in just a few simple steps.